Hello, friends! Welcome to today's English lesson. Do you know the fastest way to improve your English speaking? It is not about long grammar rules. It is not about boring textbooks. It is about listening to stories, because stories are easy to remember. They are full of daily life words, and they help you practice English, naturally. Today, I will tell you a very simple story. It's the story of Anna, a young girl who goes to the market. In this story, you will learn how to speak in shops, how to ask questions, and how to use daily English sentences. Listen carefully, repeat with me, and most importantly, enjoy the story. Don't forget, if this lesson helps you, subscribe now for daily English practice. Anna wakes up early in the morning. She says to herself, "Today, I need to go to the market." She takes her bag, she takes her money, and she walks outside. The sun is shining, the birds are singing. Anna feels fresh. On the way to the market, she meets her neighbor. The neighbor says, "Good morning, Anna." Anna replies, "Good morning, I am going to the market." The neighbor smiles and says, "That's nice. Have a good day." Anna continues walking. She feels happy because she speaks politely. Tell me in the comments, what do you say to your neighbor in the morning? Finally, Anna reaches the market. The place is busy. Many people are walking. Many people are buying fruits, vegetables, and clothes. Anna looks around and says, "So many shops." First, she goes to the fruit shop. She smiles at the shopkeeper and says, "Hello, how much are the apples?" The shopkeeper replies, "They are $2 a kilo." Anna thinks for a moment. She says, "Okay, I will take 1 kilo, please." The shopkeeper puts the apples in a bag. Anna gives him money and says, "Thank you." He replies, "You are welcome." After buying apples, Anna walks to the vegetable stall. She says, "Excuse me, how much are the tomatoes?" The seller replies, $3 for 1 kilo. Anna says, "That is too much. Can you make it $2? The seller laughs and says, "Okay, for you, $2. Anna smiles and says, "Thank you very much." She buys 1 kilo of tomatoes. This is how she learns to ask questions politely, and also how to bargain. Do you like bargaining in the market? Write yes or no in the comments below. Next, Anna goes to the bakery. She says, "Good morning, I would like some bread, please." The baker replies, "Here you go, this bread is fresh and warm." Anna takes the bread. The smell is so good. She says, "It smells amazing. How much is it?" The baker replies, "Only $1. Anna gives the money and says, "Thank you. Have a nice day." The baker smiles and says, "Have a nice day too." Anna feels proud because she can speak in English naturally. Remember this? Always use words like please, thank you, and have a nice day. They make your English polite. Anna now walks to the clothing shop. She sees a beautiful dress. She says to the shopkeeper, "Excuse me, how much is this dress?" The shopkeeper replies, "It's $20. Anna thinks and says, It's nice, but it's expensive. Do you have something cheaper?" The shopkeeper shows another dress. He says, "This one is only $12. Anna smiles and says, "I like this one. I will buy it." She gives the money. The shopkeeper puts the dress in a bag and says, "Thank you for shopping." Anna replies, "Thank you. See you next time." After shopping, Anna feels a little tired. She sits on a bench near the market. She looks at her bags full of apples, tomatoes, bread, and a dress. She feels happy. She says to herself, "Today I spoke English in many shops. I asked questions. I understood answers. I bought things and I felt confident." This makes her proud. She thinks, learning English is like going to the market. While sitting, Anna sees a traveler. The traveler looks confused. He asks, "Excuse me, can you tell me where the bus stop is?" Anna smiles and replies, "Yes, it's straight ahead, then turn left." The traveler says, "Thank you so much." Anna replies, "You are welcome." She feels even happier. Not only can she buy things in English, but she can also help others. This gives her confidence. She realizes that English is not about being perfect. It is about communication. It is about sharing. And it is about connecting with people. Anna finishes her shopping and walks back home. On the way, she repeats the sentences in her head. She says, "How much is this? I would like some bread. Thank you very much. Have a nice day." She repeats them again and again. This helps her remember. When she reaches home, she puts the bags on the table. Her mother asks, "How was the market?" Anna smiles and says, "It was wonderful. I spoke English with confidence. I bought everything I needed." Her mother says, "I am proud of you." Anna feels proud too. Friends, what do we learn from Anna's story? We learn that English is not only about grammar. English is about practice. When you practice in real life, you improve faster. When you speak politely, people listen to you. When you try, you grow. Anna's story shows us that small steps lead to big changes, so don't be afraid. Go to the shop, ask a question, make a mistake, and then learn from it, step by step. You will improve your English. Tell me in the comments. Where do you want to practice English next? So, this was Anna's story, a day at the market. You learned how to greet people, how to ask prices, how to buy things, how to bargain politely, and how to thank people. These are real-life sentences you can use every day. If you enjoyed this story, please share your favorite sentence in the comments below. I read every comment, and I love to see your progress. And don't forget, subscribe now for daily English.